If you're trying to decide whether you want to pursue a career in either audit or tax, here is my perspective as someone who did an internship in tax and is now working in audit. You may have heard a lot of people say that tax and audit is not for everyone. Ultimately, they are very different from one another, so here are some of the differences. If you enter a career in either audit or tax, it is a very steep learning curve, but ultimately I found tax to be a lot more methodical than audit. If you are very analytical, you like a set structure and rules, then tax would definitely be a good option for you. I also find tax to be more suited to an introvert's personality type because you are working alone a lot more compared to audit. Audit is a lot more team-oriented and client-facing, so you get to talk to your clients a lot more. You are also communicating within your team a lot. In tax, everyone is more focused on their specific sections. So if you're in tax, you would be filling up the tax forms and then either your senior or manager would be reviewing it, but it is a lot more of independent work for the most part. I find that in both tax and audit, the first few years can be a little bit monotonous. With audit, however, there is a little bit more variety because you're working with clients that may be in different industries. With tax, most of the variety just comes from filling out different personal or corporate returns. But as you move up the ranks in tax, you do get to dip your feet in more of the planning aspect of tax, and from what I've heard, that is a lot more fun than filling out personal corporate returns. I'd say the main difference between the two fields are the exit opportunities. I find tax to be a little more limiting because you're pretty much stuck doing tax returns or tax planning as you gain more experience, which, don't get me wrong, can be very fun for some people. But with audit, your exit opportunities are pretty vast. You can go into pretty much any industry of your choosing. So yeah, these are the main differences that I've personally noted in both of these fields.